Let's talk about bathroom remodels. A lot of people ask me how much they cost. And to that, I say, what kind of bathroom remodel are we doing? You've got your small bathroom project, which is basically going to be leaving the skin, the surface, and maybe swapping out fixtures. So maybe we're doing a new toilet, new vanity, new plumbing fixtures, cleaning the grout, painting the walls, the trim, etc. I would say for something like that, expect to pay between $7,000 and $18,000. Now let's say you want to rip out all the fixtures, but the house was built, after 1990. Then we're talking $20,000 to $40,000. If you're talking about ripping everything out and doing a new three-piece bathroom, but the house was built, 120 years ago, we've got a lot of infrastructure there. So I would say you're thinking $38,000 to $68,000 for something standard. Now we jump up to our larger bathroom. A larger bathroom to me isn't necessarily size, it's larger in scope. So complexity, it's detail oriented, could be microscopic, but it's about how much complexity and variation, how many people we're bringing in to do the work and how many other areas in the house we're touching. It also depends on what part of the house it's in. So an attic bathroom you're gonna pay more for, a basement bathroom you're gonna pay more for. A bathroom located in a condo at the top of an elevator is gonna be more, right? Because we're charging you for our labor over the duration of the project. If the bathroom is sitting alone in the middle of a field and I can drive up to it, I could probably do that for $10,000. But if I need to walk up your marble staircase and past your $10,000 front door with the fine paints of Europe on it, I might have to charge you more because there's considerable risk there and there's a lot more protecting that needs to happen. Also, how far is it from your electrical panel? How far is it from where the water's coming from? Can I reuse the supply lines or can I not? But in general, those larger bathrooms are probably starting at $50,000 and they're going up to $100,000. Then we have sort of, I guess you would call it the extra large tier where you have these primary bathrooms that are big bathrooms, right? And those we've done up to $260,000 primary bathrooms, but it really depends what the client's picking. Remember, finishes start driving the conversation at that point. You might have $38,000 in millwork just in the vanities. You might have $52,000 in countertops just on the finishes. So that's why it's really important to talk about budget with your contractors before you start talking about, I'd like to get my bathroom renovated, because depending on who you're gonna talk to, you're gonna get all sorts of numbers. And the bottom line is at the $10,000 bathroom level or the $280,000 bathroom level, we're charging you the same price. Our plumber's charging us the same price. The electrician is charging us the same price. The scope is changing. So that's why I think it's really hard as a consumer to really get good information about what things cost. You can't use AI, you can't really search these things because everyone's shooting from the hip, and there's also a big range in what the trade partners and the professionals you have who come to your door are going to tell you, because they've got different overhead and they run things differently. Some people are following all the legal rules in that state and a lot of them aren't. And maybe you get some of the runoff savings from the people who aren't following those rules, but you're exposed to more liability. So I don't want to say it's a crapshoot, but I would say it doesn't hurt to gather more information, become more educated, and dial in sort of what your budget is, because you're always going to make sacrifices regardless of what the price point you're at. You just have to identify what those sacrifices are and be okay with it.